What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the CRO token within the Keplr wallet and earn up to 15% APR. So Keplr is the official wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem and they currently support over 16 different blockchains. And if you don't know, CRO is actually a Cosmos coin built using the Cosmos SDK. And if we look at the map of the different Cosmos blockchains, we do see that there are currently over 38 different blockchains compatible within the Cosmos IBC, which is the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. So because Chronos is a Cosmos token, you're free to swap and trade Chronos with other compatible blockchains within the Cosmos ecosystem such as Osmosis, Cosmos, Juno, Stargaze, Terra Luna, Chihuahua, Injective, Akash, Comdex, and many more. And the beauty about these Cosmos blockchains is you can freely swap the CRO token for any other compatible token within the Osmosis DEX. You can swap for Luna, you can swap for OSMO, the list goes on. And currently the Crypto.com app is only paying out 6% APR on CRO staking. So with the Keplr wallet, you can actually earn more than double the amount at close to 15%. So this is why I'm so bullish on the Keplr wallet and the Cosmos IBC ecosystem. With this wallet, you can take control of your coins and earn a higher staking reward on your CRO token. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to use the Keplr wallet and how to begin earning CRO staking rewards. So let's get started. So first thing is first, we're gonna want to install the Keplr wallet. So the website here would be Keplr.app, and on the homepage you would simply click on install Keplr for Chrome and it'll take you to the Chrome web store and you would choose add to Chrome here, and once it's installed you'll have the tool located on the top right of your browser, and on there you have the various Cosmos chains available to you. We have the main Cosmos hub, Osmosis, crypto.org, and many more. And as you can see, when you toggle between the different networks, each one has a different wallet address. So keep that in mind when you're sending coins to the Keplr wallet. Each chain will have a different address. So make sure you're sending your coin to the correct address. So once that is installed, you're going to want to buy and send some CRO token from the Crypto.com app to the Keplr wallet. So let's navigate back to Keplr and make sure we're under the crypto.org chain, and our wallet address is found here. So now let's go ahead and open the Crypto.com app and withdraw some CRO tokens and send it to the Keplr wallet. Open the Crypto.com app, select the CRO button located at the bottom center of the screen. Click on Crypto Wallet, click on the Chronos coin, transfer, withdraw, external wallet. So I have previously added the Keplr wallet address here to my whitelist, but in order to manually add a new address, as a first time user, you would hit on the plus icon on the top right, select wallet address, select the Chronos chain, and under Chronos address, you would select the Keplr wallet address located in your Keplr wallet right here. And you can also give it a name. So once you do that, you hit continue. But like I mentioned, I have previously added the wallet because sometimes Crypto.com makes you wait 24 hours to make a withdrawal when you add a new recipient wallet address. So now that the 24 hours have passed, I can withdraw the CRO token. Go ahead and click on withdraw CRO. And choose the amount of CRO you would like to withdraw, 50, withdrawal. And you do see here the gas fee for this transfer would be 0.001 CRO, which is an extremely small fee. This is less than a penny to withdraw this amount of money. We're gonna hit confirm and the CRO withdrawal request has been submitted. This should only take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, our 49.999 CRO was successfully deposited. Great, and now that that's done, we can navigate to the stake page inside of the Keplr wallet. So back inside the wallet, you would click on this purple stake button, and this would take you to the staking page. Our wallet address is shown here, our balance, and which chain we're inside of. We're inside the crypto.org chain. So the next step would be to choose a validator to stake with. There's a couple of things you want to keep in mind when choosing a validator to delegate your CRO tokens to. Number one, you don't want to choose a centralized exchange or top 10. Basically, as you can see, some of these top 10 have a ton of CRO tokens being staked for them, and they tend to have the highest commission fees for staking. So you want to avoid the top 10. They also like to not redistribute free airdrop rewards to you. So you definitely want to choose someone outside the top 10. Ideally a validator in the center or towards the bottom, so you can keep the blockchain decentralized and you can remain eligible for free airdrop rewards. Another thing you don't want to do is someone with 100% commission rate. So that means definitely keep an eye on the commission. The lower the better, because no one likes to pay validator fees. You want to keep 100% of your staking rewards. So when you see a validator with 100% commission, that means they're oversubscribed and no longer are accepting new stakers. So if you were to stake with them, you would not be receiving any staking rewards. So definitely avoid the ones that have 100% commission rate. Ideally, you want either 0% or something low like 5%. Next is you want to research who the validator is. So definitely do your homework and research the company behind who you are delegating with. So if we scroll through here and we find somewhere towards the middle. So here's one stake pool, and we see they have over 5 million of their own CRO staked, and their commission fee is only 2%. We would click on manage, and right in this section you do see their validator website. So let's click on that, take a look at who they are. So we scroll lower and it looks like they run validators on different networks, including Matic, Persistence, BC. So this website looks decent, and judging by their URL, .br is a Brazilian domain name. So they look like a decent validator. So we're going to go ahead and pick them as one of the validators for our coins. And the last point I want to make here when choosing a validator, you want to diversify your validators. So you want to spread out your stake amongst different validators. Diversification is good, again, because you want to decentralize the network and you want to protect your investment in case of downtime. If one of your validators goes offline, you stop earning staking rewards with that specific validator. So if you diversify your stake, you're able to diversify your risk and you don't put all your eggs into one basket. So we do like stake pool, we'll keep them in mind, and let's go ahead and pick another validator to stake with. So towards the bottom, we do see this one, Stakely.io. They have over 2 million of their own CRO token staked and a 0% commission fee, which is amazing. So let's click on manage and let's take a look at their website. So here we see their website. They're a non-custodial staking platform and they have over 209 million total value locked staking with their validators. That's great. And it looks like they run several other different validators. Phantom, Polkadot, Terra Luna, Cosmos. Definitely liking what I'm seeing here. So let's go ahead and pick them as well as one of the validators. Now that we know the two we want to stake with, let's go ahead and nominate our delegation. So from here, we're going to hit delegate, and staking will be locked for 21 days. And if you ever wanted to unstake, it would take 21 days to unstake your holdings. Keep that in mind if you ever wanted to pull out your coins. It's a 21-day unbonding process. So under balance here, let's go ahead and pick 25 coins we want to delegate with. And remember, we're going to split our stake in half. So let's go ahead and hit delegate. And now we have our Keplr Wallet gas window. And from here, you have 3 options to choose from when it comes to gas fees. You have low, average, and high, slow, moderate, and fast. So keep in mind, the low is the lowest transaction cost. So this would cost you the least amount, and because CRO is so cheap to transact with, these are all under a penny. But I usually like to pick a low anyway, because I know if I'll be continuously staking, these fees can add up, and I don't mind waiting the extra few seconds for this low fee. That's what I recommend usually, but if you're in a hurry for whatever reason, you can pick average or high. So let's pick low, hit approve. We have our next approval window. Great, and the transaction was successful, judging up here by this notification window. So now let's go find our other validator we wanted to stake with. Scroll higher, and here is stake pool. So now let's go ahead and click on manage, hit delegate, and our remaining balance is 24.99. So let's go ahead and pick 24.98 because we want to leave a little bit of CRO behind to cover gas fees. That's always a good rule to keep in mind. So hit delegate, and we get our gas window again, hit low, approve. And again, our transaction was successful. And as you can see, our available balance now, our free balance is 0.01 available. And if we click on our wallet up here, you have two columns here. Available CRO token that can be used freely is 0.01, but the staked amount is 49.98. And if you ever wanted to return back to this validator window, you would simply click on stake here and it would bring you to the same window. And keep in mind, rewards are paid out daily, so if you ever wanted to claim your reward, you would click on this claim button here. So our pending reward is 0.00018 CRO. It's a very low amount. I like to claim my staking rewards maybe once a week and restake them. So you would hit claim and you get your gas window again and low and hit approve and you can begin claiming rewards. So now that was a very straightforward, easy way to delegate your coins and begin earning staking rewards. Again, you will be netting close to 15% APR, which is much higher than what the Crypto.com app is offering at only 6%. We're talking over double the rewards. There's no reason why you shouldn't be doing this. Time is your biggest asset and you really want to begin compounding your rewards as soon as possible. So finally, what do you want to do with your rewards? You have two options. You can either restake them daily or you can also convert them to another coin. So like I showed you earlier, you can restake them by claiming the reward here and hitting approve. And once your available balance is updated, you can go back into staking and you can either stake again with the same validator. You would hit manage and you can add to your holdings here, or you can select a new validator to maintain the network decentralized. Or you can also convert to another coin within Osmosis. So the website here is app.osmosis.zone. This is the official Cosmos DEX and DeFi platform. So from here under the trade tab, you can swap your CRO token for any other coin within the Cosmos IBC ecosystem. So what I like to do is actually you can convert it to Atom and you can send this Atom back to the Crypto.com app, or you can also send the Atom back to say Coinbase.com. And you would simply go to Coinbase and go to send and receive and go to the receive tab, and Coinbase will generate your wallet address for you. You can use a QR code or the wallet address. And again, through the power of the Keplr app, if you were to swap these, your Atom would end up in the corresponding chain, which is the Cosmos hub here. So just keep that in mind when you're swapping. Make sure when you make a transfer, the new coin ends up in the correct chain. And lastly, within Osmosis, anytime you want to load an asset, let's say you want to load the CRO token first, you would have to go to assets and find the CRO token and hit deposit first. And once you deposit your CRO token, you can go back to trade and you're able to freely swap the CRO to whatever coin you would like to swap for. But personally, I'm more of a fan of restaking your rewards daily. I'm super bullish on the CRO token and I want to retain my earnings as CRO, so there's no need for me to swap the coin. I'm very optimistic about the future of the Kronos network, so I want to keep them as long as possible. So for most people, this is probably your best bet to simply claim and restake the CRO rewards. And don't forget, you're actually free to send the CRO tokens back to Crypto.com if you wanted to. You would simply just go to the Crypto.org chain, copy your wallet address here, and within the Crypto.com app, make sure you have the correct wallet address and deposit the coins into here. And from there, you're free to cash out into fiat or your checking account and convert the CRO into real dollars. So that about covers the step-by-step guide on how to stake the CRO token within the Keplr Wallet. I'm super bullish on the Cosmos IBC protocol, and there's a giant roadmap ahead for tons of upgrades they're making to the ecosystem. You can keep up with all their upcoming implementations on their official Twitter, and also keep an eye out for the official Keplr Wallet, who is also adding a ton of new features in the coming months. And lastly, I do have an entire guide on how to use the Osmosis website and how to yield farm with some of their incredible pool offerings, where you can earn up to 75%, 100%, even up to 111% on some of the Osmosis pools. So I'm also very bullish on this DeFi platform. So if you wanted to check out all the features, I'm going to link the video on the top right corner here. So let me know what you think about the Keplr wallet. Are you a fan? Do you find it easy to use? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.